All of them.
Channel, are you?
Oh, that's fun. You can do that.
Joe Blank from Vans Aircraft here with the RV-1. Just flew this up from Marysville, California. And it's the original RV in the series. It's the one that really spawned the rest of the fleet. And it's on a national tour. It's been up to Canada and across the US, and now it's here in the Northwest. And we'll be staying here for about 6 weeks. And after that, it's going back to Oshkosh, and it will be presented to the EAA Museum back there by Van himself.